Before you begin, remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, and the cable pocket. Removal. Carefully lift up the locking bar on the ZIF connector on the RFID module and remove the RFID antenna cable. Carefully peel back the adhesive tape on the RFID ribbon cable from the RFID module. Caution: the adhesive tape securing the RFID ribbon cable to the ZIF connector may pull the ZIF locking bar from the connector. Carefully lift up the locking bar on the ZIF connector of the RFID module and remove the RFID ribbon cable. Gently remove the speaker cable out from the cable guides at either end of the RFID module. Detach the two Phillips screws that secure it to the panel assembly. Carefully lift the RFID module up from the alignment pins and tilt it out from under the tabs on the middle frame. Replacement. Carefully slide the RFID module under the tabs on the middle frame and place it on its alignment pins. Replace the two Phillips head screws that secure it to the panel assembly. Use the cable guides at either end of the RFID module to route the speaker cable back into place. Connect the RFID ribbon cable to the ZIF connector on the RFID module and replace the adhesive on the RFID cable. Connect the RFID antenna cable to the ZIF connector on the RFID module.